Before you scroll, answer this. What if the only thing keeping you between a business that works with someone willing to pay your way into the training that teaches you how to build it? If you've tried affiliate marketing for beginners and walked away thinking it doesn't work for you, stay with me. I'm personally paying out of my own pocket. I'm paying the money to put you inside Simple Freedom Warriors, the program that teaches you and your team attraction marketing, what everybody else is scared to teach you, and how to dominate any leaderboard. Okay? Not just you, but build your team and train them as well. How to brand yourself with authority and how to build any business online. While I show you the long-term affiliate strategy that makes this all click. I know what it feels like to fail in public. To launch something you believe in only to watch it fizzle. Stop. Think about this for a second. Most beginners don't fail because they can't learn. They fail because they're handed complexity with no mentorship. When I rebuilt, I didn't chase shiny tools. I chose a mentor-based affiliate system designed to build trust online from day one. I stripped everything back to the essentials. One funnel, one offer, one system. And that's why 90 seconds in, I can say this with conviction. Why HBA works for beginners, even if you failed before. Let's strip this down to the numbers. HBA Funnel Builder, $25 a month, 80% commissions, residual income built in. That's $20 a month per customer. Predictable and compounding. You're not starting over from scratch. You keep compounding. So let's say you have 50 people. You have 1,000 a month after a couple months, right? You're not starting over the new month. You're starting from 1,000. See how that compounds? Compound interest is the most important thing. It's like a snowball running downhill. It starts as a snowball, and by the time it hits the ground, it could be an avalanche, okay? ClickFunnels Basic, $147 a month, 30% commissions or so, meaning you need nearly 6 times the customers to match the same monthly income. Here's the part most marketers skip. HBA pairs its pay plan with a done-for-you funnel already optimized for YouTube and Google. What? Actually, there's about 5 or 6 different funnels, okay? I plugged it into my current workflow, and within weeks, I was generating leads without paid ads. I'm not actually using their funnel. I'm using my own funnel, but it's super powerful to brand yourself and use something others aren't using, aka a company page. That's not the way. Stop. Drop your guess in the comments before I reveal this. My very first HBA funnel lead come from a YouTube video. Stuck at 87 views for months. No ads, just a tight title, description, and clear call to action. Discipline is the multiplier. Once I saw that, I committed to one piece of content per day. One funnel link per day. Every single day. And that's just the front door. Behind it, HBA training walks you through traffic strategies, email follow-up, and how to position yourself as a mentor, even if you're new. Picture this. You're building an audience on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Every post points to your funnel. Every lead gets a pre-written follow-up because actually we have about 150 emails you can plug in, okay? And every sale pays you instantly without waiting on monthly cycles. Ours does. The Simple Freedom Warriors, which will build any business, pays you instantly 50% commissions, okay? You can earn from $3.50 to $3.50 to $1,500 instantly, okay? But the HBA funnel pays about, I think, once a week, and you get paid residually, so month after month after month after month. Here it is. Join HBA at the $25 level with me as your sponsor, and I'm personally paying out of my own pocket. How cool is that? To cover your entry into Simple Freedom Warriors, which will teach you how to build traffic, leads, and sales for any online business, and more importantly, it will only train you You will train your people too. So you can create duplication. See, that's two problems. First of all, you have to be trained the right way. You have to be learning how to generate lead traffic and lead sales and build your email list. But so does your people. If you bring a person in, you can just plug them into simple free words, and for any online business, and your person is trained, and your next person is trained, and your next person trains. Meanwhile, you get 50% commissions to whatever payment processor you want, and you can plug in more than one. So PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, you're all covered. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, etc. This isn't just a company freebie. This is me investing in you so you're equipped with the exact skills and system that rebuilt my business. You'll learn how to generate leads, drive traffic, and make sales for any offer, any business, while building a team of trained affiliates and earning instant commission straight to the payment processor of your choice. I'm doing this because I want you building a business that compounds trust, income, and freedom, not chasing the next shiny object. I want to show you this is actually working, okay? So we're going to go to, and we're going to show you live examples of not only me ranking and others ranking from our team using this exact same training, but also me plugging in the system videos into the funnel, okay? How easy it can be, okay? So I'm going to click on this and make sure that you see that this is live. I ranked this before my video even dropped. I used Premiere, okay? So as you can see, that number one business, besides the homebusinessacademy.com, okay, the actual website, is my video right here, okay? Alright, so that's number one on Google. Pretty cool, right? Now look at this. We're going to look and see if I'm ranking on YouTube too. And you can see I'm not signed in. This is real results, okay? Guess what? Number one video. Same video. So number one on Google and YouTube. And there's another video being. I'm only bringing up people that are on our team. And another. And another. And you see, this is compounding. What I told you. Look at the thing. DFY Marketing System. No. This says legit. My honest breakdown. And this one says how I'm rebuilding for zero with a funnel that finally makes sense. So the more you put out there, the easier it is to rank for other terms, even harder, difficult terms, okay? You just gotta stay consistent and put in the work. And it's copy and paste simple. We make it as simple as possible. We're just copying and pasting and repeating the steps every single day. Here's a video from a day ago. HBA versus ClickFunnels. And here's another one, and another one, and even another one. See, you can not only dominate YouTube and even Google, which is quite a bit harder, but you can also teach your team will also be taught on autopilot how to do this with the video step by step, okay? Here's another video. And here's Andrew Guthrie, who's only been around for 2 weeks, and he's already ranking on YouTube and Google from day one, which is where I started ranking. From day one, my first video, 3 minutes after I published it, it was ranking 3rd and 5th for two different search terms. There's a whole playlist right here, right? And another Andrew Guthrie video. Again, this is all our team. And it's not about me. It's about you. You can do this. You, if you stay consistent, because I don't know your work ethic, I'm not promising you anything, but it does work if you follow the steps. If somebody, teach a man to fish, you feed him for a day. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. If I showed you exactly, matter of fact, I'm paying for it, how to get traffic, leads, and sales for any offer, how to dominate any system. It doesn't matter where you're doing Avon, whatever it might be. You plug in this training, and you're not only you, but your people are trained, okay? You're building a clone army like in Star Wars. Okay, there's another one. And another one. And another one. This is domination. This is how to win. Like Monopoly, you pay Monopoly, right? The more you put out, more effort it snowballs. It's going from a snowball to an avalanche of content, and you dominate any program, and then you can do it again and get multiple streams of income. And again, your people are taught on autopilot. How cool is that? I just passed a video that's one of our team. Give me a second. That's Ari, Mr. Orange Dream, another team member. Okay, we dominate leaderboards. Okay, we dominate YouTube. We dominate Google. Here's another one for me, and another one. So I'm showing you, but now I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually plug in a video and change the title. Okay, real world examples. Okay, not BS. Real world examples. So I'm going to copy this term, right? Home Business Academy, right? Live, and watch this. I'm going to go over to my funnel builder. Okay, I'm going to change this. Okay, copy, paste. Can you do that? Can you do copy and paste? Your kid could probably do it. A monkey could probably do it, right? This is easy. We teach you, and you can slow down the videos and learn how to do it. Now, I have the title, right? Now I need the video, right? Because this video was not it, right? So I'm going to go back to my video. I'm going to hit share. I'm going to copy. And you don't have to put yourself on camera. You can do videos like I was doing last month where it's just walkthrough without the video right here. Okay? Okay, so I think I copied. Copy. And we'll go back to the video, okay? I mean the funnel page, right? I'm making every video a funnel, okay? I'm syndicating on all my YouTube channels, right? I'm making one piece of content. Whoops, that's not it. Well, I might have to do an extra step. So we're going to go edit video. This is live. There are mistakes that made. Paste. And watch the video change. Totally different video, right? And here's the title again, so you saw it. Close. We're going to make this congruent. Copy. And we're going to paste. Simple stuff, man. Paste. Boom. It's all congruent. It's all the same, right? Now every comment is a key. We're pushing towards the next unlock. At 250 unique commenters, the rules change. I'm giving away my free prompts that I built myself to help you build any business, to make this simple. Now, would it be easier if you had the time to post everything? Yes, it would. But I am going to shortcut it. AI is changing the world, and I've built many prompts. I'm giving them one prompt away. So all you got to do is pay attention and be part of the solution. Start commenting, liking, commenting, sharing, etc. And we'll all move up the ladder and get all these prompts, okay, for free. Okay. If you failed before but still feel that spark to try again, I want to hear your story. What's the one thing you wish you had the first time you tried? Drop it in the comments. Every comment is a key, and we're moving toward the next unlock together. You want these AI tools for free? All you gotta do is comment and help others comment too. So share it, right? Tag someone who needs to see this before we hit the next threshold. Now here's where it gets real. The only thing between you and the system is a decision. And I've already removed the cost barrier for the training that teaches you how to build any business. I'm paying it out of my pocket. Okay? How cool is that, right? And I'm going to show you something real quick before I go. Okay? HBA funnel builder can I'll go all the way to the bottom. Okay? Look what they do. Not only do they pay you 80% commissions residually, okay, but they've also feed starving kids. 361,720 days of meals provided to kids by our community. This system's been around for about 10 years. They fed, look, 361,000 days. How cool is that, man? And they still pay you 80%. What? And look, remember I told you though, training? All these things are training videos, okay? Oops, I didn't log in. Okay, so training. How to do all